Hello, friends. Today I am going to demonstrate the rule of address resolution protocol, and I'll be doing that practically. In my understanding, I know that the address resolution protocol learn the hardware address of network interfaces to populate its table. So what it basically does is, like, if you have to go to somebody's house, you don't know the address of that person's house, you first of all either call the person to ask for the location address, and when you get this address, then you are sure to arrive that person's house. So it's the same thing. So the address resolution protocol learn hardware addresses of interfaces and map them to their IP addresses. That way, when a packet is directed to a destination host, the address is known ahead of time for these packets to be navigated within the network. Uh, we shall be configuring the interface IP addresses, and we'll configure a static route. Then we'll ping and we'll do some verification. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I have three routers in place, and I have some address classes already defined there. So I'm going to use that to configure um, configure the network, all these three routers. So let me begin here. So interface. So that is subnet max. So I'll just go ahead and configure the IP, the static route. Okay. Okay, I see what I did. I didn't put the this subnet marks, that's why. So I'll have to go come here, exit one step, interface G 0/1. That's for this one here. IP address. Okay, let's come here. Config T is configuration terminal. So that's just a short for that. INT is for interface. And the interface name is G gigabit internet 0/1. Something is wrong. Okay, I see what IP address. Okay, destination or next hub address. And the next hub address go to this interface 0/1. So when we are here, we got this here, meaning that any packet that is sent should be sent there, be directed there. Then our next hop, which is this one. Good. So now we have configured. Let's check. Come to router one here. Show ARP maximize my. So you see, this is the information for this interface. This interface here, we configure this address, right? So let me ping router 3 and see if I'll get there. Ping 192.168.2.2. Okay, let me see again. I'm gonna go back. Yeah, okay. See, see something. Okay, let me check router 2. Interface E0/0. Okay, I see the problem. Here we go. This is the problem here. The, 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 the address of router 2 is not correct, so I have to change that. Okay, let me do that. That was a little bit of troubleshooting there. Interface G0/0 IP address 192.168.1.2 255.255.0. So let me check now. Show interface G0/0. So we got the new address that fall within the same subnet. So I'm guessing that it's gonna work now. So let's go back to router 1. Good, we got it. So I ping router 3 and is able to get there. Now you see that when we check the ARP table for router 1, the information for both router will be found in that table. Let's check it out. Show ARP. You see, this is router 3 network address, and that is a physical address. You can see that. Let's go here. Show ARP. So router 3. Oh, you see some address here. I don't know where it comes from, but fix that. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Let's check this. Show interface. G01. Then show IP interface brief. Here. Show interface. So let me just go with IP interface brief. IP interface brief. So these two are configured, one for both sides. That's why this network and this network. So let's check for router 1. Let's check for router 1. Okay. Show IP interface brief. Okay. So that's what we got. That interface is configured. So when we ping, we got everything. Let me ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, let's see. Ping again. Okay, show ARP. Okay, so you see it learned the hardware address of each switch port. So that's what we call the switch port is what we call interface. So each port has a hardware address. That's the way the network will recognize where to send network packets. Okay, so we have seen how the ARP works and what it does practically. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. I have other tutorials that were done already, and I will be adding the link to this tutorial so that if you want to visit them, you can do so. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.